Hello students, in this video we are going to learn how to sacrifice your rook for the bishop pair. Let's look at an example. In this position we are black and right now material is equal, everything is equal, and in this position black played rook cross d3. He sacrificed his rook for the bishop. Now queen cross d3 and black took this pawn. Knight cross e4. Now we have given up our rook and in return we have a bishop plus one pawn. We have this bishop pair and these two bishops that are pointing toward the opponent's king, they are very dangerous. White played bishop d4. He wants to exchange one bishop. Black played queen d6 and he pinned the bishop. Rook d1 and now black played queen d5. This move is not possible. He cannot capture our bishop because then we will play knight f2 check. After bishop cross f2, we will play queen cross g2 checkmate. So here he played queen e3. And now we play bishop cross d4. Again queen cross d4 is not possible because of knight g3 check. After h cross g3, you will play queen cross g2 checkmate. So he must play rook cross d4. And now you play knight g3 check. Taking this knight with pawn is not possible because of queen cross g2 checkmate. So he has to take with the queen. And now you play queen cross d4. So all the complications have gone and in this position you are a pawn up. Plus you have this long range bishop. So black is winning in this position. Opponent played knight c3 and black played h5. His idea is to go h4, h3 and to put more pressure on g2. So white stopped the idea. Black played queen d2. He's trying to get in. Maybe he wants to give a check and capture this pawn. So white played king h2. Black also played king h7. White played a4. Bishop cross g2. Black got a tactic here. After queen cross g2, you can take the knight. A cross b4, a cross b4, queen e4 check, g6, and black has two extra pawns. With two extra pawns, it is easy to win this game, and we have covered how to play these kind of positions in the endgame section. And black was able to reach this winning endgame because of this exchange sacrifice, where he got the bishop pair and a pawn for the rook. Let's look at one more example. In this position, black played rook c8. And white is doing pawn storm attack here, so he continued with g5. And here black found a very interesting idea. Black played rook cross c3. Exchange sacrifice. White played b cross c3. And now black played knight cross e4. So here we have two bishops and one central pawn for the rook. Plus these pawns are also weak. So black has more than enough compensation for the rook. White played queen g4. He saved this pawn. And now black played queen c8. He is not in a hurry to capture this pawn. He can capture this pawn anytime he wants. White played rook f3 and now black first took the bishop. After a cross b3, black played f5, pawn to f5. And e cross f6 is not possible because of knight cross f6. You are attacking the queen, you are also attacking the rook. That's why here white played queen h4 and black played e5, kicking this knight away from the center. Here white first played rook h3, attacking our h7 pawn. We played h6. He played queen h5. If we take this knight, he will play g cross h6 and our king might become exposed. So here black played queen cross c3, threatening this rook. So he played rook to d1. And now black took the pawn. If opponent plays g cross h6, then we play d cross e3 and this queen can come into the defense. So black is safe right now. That's why here white played bishop d2 and black played queen c6. His idea is to get this knight away and checkmate on g2 square. White played g cross h6 and black went knight g5. We are threatening a checkmate on g2 square, so he protected it. And now we play queen h1 check, king f2, knight e4 check. This is a fork and we are going to win material in this position. It does not matter what he does. So white resigned in this position. And see the advantage of having the bishop pair. Finally, we managed to win this battle over this long diagonal where we had the bishop pair. Opponent did not have the light square bishop and we had the light square bishop. So if you get a chance to sacrifice your rook for the bishop pair and a pawn, then you should take that chance, because bishop pair will provide more than enough compensation for that rook. Now let's learn the next idea in the next video.